just by typing what you want changed. Plus, you can finally export to PPTX. This is insane. What's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Wealth Hub. Today we're covering NotebookLM's most requested feature update, prompt-based slide deck revisions and PPTX Export. This has been the #1 request from users, and Google just delivered. Let's break it all down. For those who don't know, NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant. You upload your sources, documents, websites, YouTube videos, PDFs, whatever, and NotebookLM creates a knowledge base around them. What makes it special is the Studio panel. From your sources, NotebookLM can generate audio overviews, those viral AI podcasts, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, data tables, and of course, slide decks. The slide deck feature was already impressive. You could generate a full presentation from your research in seconds. But there was one massive problem. You couldn't edit individual slides. If slide 7 wasn't quite right, you had to regenerate the entire deck. Until now. Here's the game changer. You can now click on any slide in your deck and type exactly what you want changed. No more regenerating the whole thing. You open your slide deck, click on any slide, and a text box appears at the bottom that says Change Slide followed by the slide number. You just type your revision in natural language. For example, can you change the background image to something more modern? Or make the title shorter and add bullet points? Or center the image on the page? Or change the title to something more engaging? Each revision gets added to a pending changes queue. You can make changes to multiple slides before generating. The UI shows you exactly how many pending changes you have. Once you're happy with all your revisions, you hit Generate New Deck and NotebookLM creates a brand new version with all your changes applied. The original deck stays intact, and a new version appears in your Studio panel. This is massive because it means you can iteratively refine your presentations. Make a change, review it, make another change. Just like you'd edit a Google Doc, but with AI doing the heavy lifting. Let me show you exactly how this looks in action. In this official demo from NotebookLM, they have a notebook about puppy training with 20 sources. They open the slide deck and start revising individual slides. On slide 1, they modify the intro. On slide 3, which shows a clicker training diagram, they queue another revision. Each change gets added to the pending queue. They move to slide 6 about crate training and request additional content. Then on slide 9 about bite inhibition, they change the title. Notice how the pending changes counter goes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 as they make edits across different slides. Then they hit Generate New Deck and NotebookLM processes all the revisions at once. The result is a new version of the deck with all the requested changes applied. And there's a revise button at the top so you can keep iterating. Based revisions, and export as PPTX to share with your team or present at a meeting. Previously, your slide decks were locked inside NotebookLM. Now you can take them anywhere. And Google Slides Export is coming next, which will make it even more seamless for Google Workspace users. Think about the workflow. Upload your research documents, generate a slide deck in seconds, revise specific slides with natural language prompts, export as PPTX, and present. That's a workflow that used to take hours now done in minutes. This update matters because it closes the biggest gap in NotebookLM's content generation. The slide deck feature was already powerful, but the inability to edit individual slides was a deal breaker for many users. Think about the use cases. Students can generate study presentations from lecture notes. Researchers can create conference presentations from their papers. Consultants can build client decks from project documentation. Teachers can generate lesson slides from curriculum materials. And the prompt-based revision means you don't need design skills. You just describe what you want in plain English. NotebookLM handles the design. Combined with the other studio outputs, NotebookLM is becoming the ultimate content creation engine. Let's zoom out and appreciate how stacked NotebookLM's studio is now. From a single set of sources, you can generate audio overviews, video overviews, slide decks with revisions and export, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and data tables. That's 9 different output formats from one knowledge base. That's NotebookLM slide deck revisions and PPTX Export. This is a huge upgrade for anyone who uses AI for presentations. Try it out at notebooklm.google. Drop a like if this was helpful, subscribe for more AI content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.